Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking XP25 Excel Chapter 8 Cumulative Variation Real Estate Valuation. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Writing, Economics, Java, C++, Python, Nursing, Medical, Web Development and many more online courses. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. My WhatsApp scanner is given in the first slide of this video. You can scan my WhatsApp and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. If you don't have WhatsApp, then you can contact me on my email. I am handling many student courses on MAT like Pearson, Sandgate, Mintab, MC Grahil, Simnet, Blackboards and many more colleges and universities. I will handle your complete course with A+ grade. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. The title of assignment is XP25. Okay, first we will click on enable editing button. Now we will move on the title of assignment. The title of assignment is XP25 Excel Chapter 8 Cumulative Variation Real Estate Valuation. I will increase the font size of this title first, and I have highlighted this for a proper view in my video. You can see this is the title of assignment, and under this project description you can see your project description to get idea about your project. Now we will move on the next. Okay, we will select this complete instruction file. Then I will increase the font size of this file for a proper view in my video. Then I will start complete assignment to solve it step by step. Now we will move on question number 1 of this assignment. The question number 1 of this assignment is that start Excel, download and open the file named XP25 Excel Chapter 8 Cumulative Variation Valuation Excel as grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Basically, in this question, we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson ATLab dashboard. I have also downloaded this file from Pearson portal. You can see I am opening my Excel workbook which I have downloaded from Pearson portal. Click on enable editing button first. Then we are able to solve this assignment. Now we will move on to the next question of this assignment. The next question of this assignment is question number 2. In question number 2, ensure the sales data worksheet is active. This is the first point. Then use the frequency function to calculate the frequency distribution of the square footage of home located in column C. Place your result in the range H4 to H11. And you can see formula is given in the hint. The frequency function is located on the formula tab under the more function menu in the statistical category. Basically, in this question, first we will ensure the sales work data sheet is active. Then we will use the frequency function to calculate the frequency distribution of square footage of home located in column C. We will click on cell H4 and then press is equal to, then we will enter frequency function in cell H4. Okay, click on cell H4, press is equal to, so we will enter a frequency function in cell H4. Okay. Double click on this function. Okay. The value in the range is that square footage C4 to C50, C4 to C30 and G4 to G11. So we will press enter and then frequency will be found in column H cell H4. You can see this result. Now we will move. Okay, you can see result in the I4 to H11. Now we will move on to question number 3. The question number 3 of this assignment is that Enter a function in cell J4 to calculate the standard deviation of the current home value column E. Okay, enter a function in cell J4 to calculate the standard deviation. The formula is given in the hint. The stdev.s function is located on the formulas tab under the more functions menu in the statistical category. Simply we will go to our cell J4 and then we will enter this function, standard deviation function in cell J4 and current home values in column E. Okay, we will move on our Excel workbook and then we will click on cell J4 and then we will enter a function stdev.s function in column J4. Press is equal to. Now we will have to find a standard deviation. We will enter a standard deviation function stdev.s function. Okay, column E, current value E4 to E30. So we will press enter. It will be find standard deviation in cell J4. Simply you can see on my laptop screen. First I have entered stdev function. Then I have entered this value. Okay, now we will move on question number 4. The question number 4 is that enter a function in cell J7 to calculate the variance of the current home values. Okay, we will click on cell J7 and then we will enter this function, variance function. We will have to calculate the variance of current home values column E. Okay, we will go to our Excel workbook, click on cell J7 and then we will enter a variance function. We will have to calculate variance. Then we will enter a variance function. We will click on cell J7, press is equal to enter variance function var.s function. var.s function. So we will enter column E, current value E4 to E30. Okay, then we will press enter. It will be find variance in column J7. You can see I have done this question so well. Now we will move on. Next question of this assignment is question number 5. Question number 5 is that enter a function in cell J10 to calculate the covariance between square footage column C and the current home values column E. Okay, covariance function is given in the hint. Basically in this question we will go to our Excel workbook, click on cell J10. We will have to enter a covariance function. Then we will calculate the covariance between the square footage column C and the current home values column E. Okay, we will move on our Excel workbook, click on cell J10, press is equal to enter covariance dot s function. Okay, this function column. First we will find covariance between column C square footage C4 to C30 and then column E is current value E4 to E30. Okay, we will press enter. It will be find covariance in column J10. You can see I have done this question so well. Now we will move on. Next question of this assignment is question number 6. I have done 5 questions of this assignment so far. Question number 6 is that enter a function in cell J13 to calculate the correlation between square footage column C and the current home values column E. Basically in this question we will have to enter a function in cell J13 to calculate the correlation between square footage column C and the current home values column E. Okay, we will go to our Excel workbook, click on cell J13. Then we will enter a formula function, correlation function. Okay, you can read this. Please, if you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment for you with A+ grade. Click on cell J13, press is equal to. Okay, and then we will enter a correl function. We will have to find the correlation between column C, C4 to C30 and then Column E, current value. Okay, square footage and current value E4 to E30. So we will press enter. It will be find correlation in J13. Okay, you can see I have done this question so well. Now we will move on question number 7 of this assignment. The question number 7 of this assignment is that apply accounting number format to cell J4. We will select cell J4 first and then go to the home tab. In the number group, we will apply accounting number format. Click on accounting number format button. Okay. Now we will move on question number 8 of this assignment. The question number 8 of this assignment is that insert a histogram statistical chart from the chart group in the ribbon based on the square footage located in column C at the title square footage to the chart. Move the chart so that upper left corner in cell G15. Resize the chart so it fills the range G15 to G28. Okay. You can see this hint histogram statistical chart is located on the insert tab in the charts group. First point of this question is that insert a histogram statistical chart from the chart group in the ribbon based on the square footage located in column C. We will go to our Excel workbook. We will select column C first. Okay, we will select column C first and then we will insert a go to the insert tab in the charts group. We will go to the all charts. We will go to the histogram. We will insert a histogram chart. Click on OK button. Histogram chart is inserted right now. Add the title square footage to the chart. We will have to add a title of this chart square footage. Okay. The next point is that move the chart so the upper left corner is in the cell G15. We will simply cut this chart, go to the home tab in the clipboard group, cut this chart and paste this chart in cell G15. Okay. Now resize the chart so it fills the range G15 to J28. We will resize the chart J28. Okay, where is J28? Okay. Chart resizing right now. You can see on my PC screen I have done 8 questions of this assignment right now. Total question of this assignment is 18. I have done 60 to 70% of assignment in my video. For remaining question and if you want to deal for complete course and if you want to do this assignment from me, I will do this complete assignment for you with A plus grade. I can do all online courses on MATLAB Pearson, Cengage Tab, MC Gra Hill Seminet, Blackboards and many more colleges and universities. Okay, and I can do all online courses like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Writing, Economics, Java, C++, Python, Nursing, Medical and many more online courses. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. My WhatsApp number and email both are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. You can contact easily on my WhatsApp and email. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my art student. Thank you so much.